Got a flat tire? Here's a quick guide to your repair options. Some quick, affordable options include tire patches and plugs. Patches work best for punctures in the tread area and create a long-term seal. Plugs take less time to apply, but work better for smaller holes and temporary fixes. However, while these can seem like easy fixes, they can actually be risky and difficult to do effectively without the proper expertise. Additionally, professionals will have the correct tools to safely handle these types of repairs. They should also inspect for sidewall damage or large punctures, as these can't be safely repaired. In those cases, it's time for a new tire. The cost of new tires can vary, but AAA members can receive 10% off a repair up to $75 at AAA-owned car care centers or AAA-approved auto repair facilities. Although patching and plugging are less expensive ways to repair tires, it is essential to seek out professional help to determine the safest options available to you. Visit our website for more information.